Welcome back. Mining companies operating within the state will now have to submit their documents within the next fortnight. Mines Department has issued some stringent guidelines for mining companies, stating that movement of trucks in and out of the mine should only be restricted to one gate. The companies will also now have to inform the department one day in advance about the number of trucks carrying ore that will move out from the mine the next day. Despite deadlines ending on Monday, out of 433 traders, around 150 traders only have submitted their documents to the department. The other traders could be deemed as illegal.
In a major direction by the Mines Department, all mine owners have to submit their relevant documents to the Director of Mines within the next fortnight. The department has also directed the mining companies to fence the mine lease area and keep a single gate for entry and exit. This will help to keep the track of the ore carrying traffic in the lease area.
Mining documents म्हणजे तांचे लीजाचे सगळे डॉक्युमेंट्स जे आसा ताजी सगळी सॉफ्ट एंड हार्ड कॉपीन फायल करून आमचे डिपार्टमेंटान तांकां आमी सबमिट करपाक लायल्या.
The department has also directed the mining firms to give a daily report on the transportation of ore.
डेली रिपोर्ट्स जे आसा ते रोखडेच इमिडिएट इफेक्ट सो दॅट आमकां रेग्युलेट करपाक बरें पडटलें. एक दीस आदीं ताणें दिवपाक जाय की आमचे 50 ट्रक 75 ट्रक आमचे मायनींतल्यान भायर सरतले, आमचे तांचे रजिस्ट्रेशन नंबर आसा ते डिटेल ताणें दिवचे पडटले.
म्हणजे ट्रक म्हणटा ते एक 10 ट्रक वाडले जाल्यार तांकां कितें दुसरे दिसा इन्फॉर्म करपाक तशी
तांकां आमी तशी स्कोप दवरला की दुसरे दिसा समजा तांची वेरिएशन जालें जाल्यार ऑन दॅट डे इटसेल्फ दे कॅन send us an email and inform us about the changes.
Around 150 traders out of 433 have submitted their documents within the stipulated deadline set 15 days back by the department. The remaining traders could be deemed as illegal.
अजून आमी एक्झॅक्ट ताजें कावंटींग केलें ना, बट इट शूड नॉट क्रॉस 150 मार्क. आमी प्रिझ्यूम करूं शकता की दे आर नॉट इंटरेस्टेड, बट आय थिंक वी शूड टेक अ कॉल ऑन दॅट.
Our reporter from Panji, Lokik Shilkar, with video journalist Tulsidas Chari.
The government on Monday issued suspension order for Tiswadi's former Sub-Registrar Asha Kamath. Two NRIs had violated the FEMA rules while buying around 4,600 square meters of agricultural land in Sharaun in 2007. The Vigilance Department was investigating the complaint filed against Asha Kamath for registering this illegal sale deed. Vigilance Department will now move for thorough investigation pending her suspension.
Former Tiswadi Taluka Sub-Registrar Asha Kamath was suspended by a government order on Monday. In 2007, two NRIs had violated the FEMA rules while buying around 4,600 square meters of agricultural land in Sharaun. Under FEMA rules, a non-Indian or NRI cannot purchase agricultural property in the country. The Sub-Registrar had registered the land sale in the name of these two NRI females and was implicated for the same. Thereafter, Vigilance Department had registered a complaint against her and was investigating the case. The department found her prima facie guilty in this case. Now, after her suspension, the department will initiate an in-depth inquiry in this case. She is the 8th officer suspended by the government within the last 1 month. Our reporter from Panji, Lokik Shilkar.
Former NCP MLA Jose Philip D'Souza has stated that it would have been better if there was no pre-poll alliance between the NCP and the Congress. In a direct jab against former CM Digambar Kamath, Jose Philip says that there should have been a leadership change 1 year before elections. He also rated present CM Manohar Parrikar as a better administrator than his predecessor.
पूण जेन्ना काँग्रेस सदांच म्हणटा ते एक हेजेर आसले हाय तेंचे एक चिंतप आसलें की येवूय पाटी आमकां मॅन्डेट मेळटली, येवूय पाटी आमकां आमचे कॅन्डिडेट MLA सुबेज जिखून येतले, आनी हें चिंतून तेणें NCPक लायट हें मारलो. NCPक व्हडलें हितून दवरूंकूच ना. तेणें NCPक कितें आयज जोरी तर तेणें तर कितें केलें हे भाशेन चिंतून तर केलें. आयज काँग्रेसाची परिस्थिती कितें जाली ती पळय, आमची जाली ती बरी आहा. नॅशनलिस्ट काँग्रेस पार्टीची जाली सारकी, पूण जेन्ना जे काँग्रेस चिंताले आमकां मॅन्डेट मेळटली, आमकां सगळे काय आमचे MLA जायते जिखून येतले, आमकां नॅशनलिस्ट काँग्रेस पार्टीचे MLAची गरज आसची ना, हें चिंतून आयज काँग्रेसाची परिस्थिती.
आज काँग्रेसवाले म्हणटात की NCPक एक सीट जिखून हाडपा जालें ना. आमी सांगिल्लें हांचे बरोबर अलायन्सूच करनाकात, केलें नाशिल्लें जाल्यार चड बरें आशिल्लें म्हूण.
हेजेर हांवूय सांगता, कोण ना जाल्यार आमकांय बरें जाता.
तुमी कितें म्हणटात की समजा 1-1.5 वर्स पयलीं इलेक्शनाच्या लिडरशीप चेंज जाल्ली, रिजल्ट वूड हॅव बीन डिफरंट?
अशे काँग्रेसाचे MLA जायते उलयता आतां जीवन पडले ते देखून उलयता की आमी आमच्या हाय कमांडाक सांगलेलें की जाता ते बेगीन तर लिडरशीप चेंज कर तेंचे आयकोंक ना. सी काँग्रेसाची लिडरशीप चेंज करपाक नॅशनलिस्ट काँग्रेस पार्टी कांयच येना की जरी तर काँग्रेसाची लिडरशीप चेंज करपाक सिर्फ काँग्रेस
तुमकां कितें दिसता? तुमकां दिसता की leadership change जालें जाल्यार बरें जाता
कितें
आशिल्लें?
तरी जालें जाल्यार एक बरें जायत आसलें.
तुम्ही 5 वर्ष दिगंबर कामत पळयलो, फाटले 1.5 म्हयने मनोहर पर्रीकार पळयता. हू इज अ बेटर चीफ मिनिस्टर? फ्रँक आन्सर.
बरें फ्रँक आन्सर तुका हांव दिता.
मनोहर
तुका
पर्रीकार.
आनीक पार्टी दिलो प्रमोद वय ना हांवें सांगलेलो मिस्टर मनोहर पर्रीकार टील टुडे ही इज व्हेरी गुड. तो बरें काम करता, काम कोण दी, पूण म्हाका एकूच जाय ह्या आमच्या चीफ मिनिस्टराकडे मिस्टर मनोहर पर्रीकाराकडच्यान की सिलेक्टली जावन कोणाचेरूय हें
इक्वालिटी
सगल्यांक. आनी एक ताका एक भशेन आहा जो लोकांनी तुमकां इतली मॅन्डेट बरी दिल्या हो लोकांचो विश्वास म्हणटा तो एजर आहा की आपलो देखून मनीस जालो सोडपाक जायना. आनी म्हाका हो विश्वास म्हाका पर्रीकाराचेर आहा करतलो म्हूण. आनी हे हेजेर हे भाशेन तर करीत फरेंच बरो चीफ मिनिस्टर
बरें राज्य चलतलें.
बरें राज्य चलतलें.
Bureau Report, Prudent Media.
State government has decided to accept DYSP Deo Banaulikar's plea for voluntary retirement following his birth date controversy. It's confirmed that DYSP Deo Banaulikar has overworked illegally in police service without extension. Advocate General made a statement before the court on Monday that the state government would accept Banaulikar's plea for voluntary retirement. DYSP Deo Banaulikar, while joining the police department, had furnished his date of birth as 4th February 1956, while date of birth recorded in his college is 8th February 1952. The issue was raised before the High Court by General Secretary of Goa Bus Owners Association, Sudeep Tamankar. Following this controversy, DYSP Banaulikar applied for a voluntary retirement before the government. Advocate General on Monday informed the court that government would accept his voluntary retirement proposal.
आज देव बाणावलीकाराची जी केस हायकोर्टान येयल्या आनी ती मॅनिप्युलेशन ऑफ तेणी बर्थ डेट करून जी पळय जॉब एक्वायर केल्लो त्या संदर्भान सगळें प्रूव जाल्ल्या आनी एडवोकेट जनरल पळय स्टेटीचो आहा तेणी आयज स्टेटमेंट केल्लो आहा की तो तेणी जो पळय VRS मागला सरकारा कडेन तो आमी एक्सेप्ट केल्लो आनी तो आनीक हेच्या फुडें सर्विसेन ना हो स्टेटमेंट केला. त्या प्रमाणे हायकोर्टान आयज जे पळय पेटिशन आमी घातलेलें पळय ते तेचे बर्थ डेटीर ते आयज डिस्पोज केल्ले आहा. अशेंच अन्याया विरुद्ध आवाज उठोवन आमकां ह्या ऑफिसरांक खंय तरी एक बूथ शिकोवपाची अशें आमचें एक फुडें मिशन आसतलें आनी तें आमी सक्सेसफूल करून दाखयतले. क्रिमिनल कंप्लेंट जी पळय तेचेर आहा पळय ती आमी अवश्य फुडें व्हरतले आनी आतां जे पळय आमकां ऑलरेडी आयज पळय VRS घेतलेलो आहा हो त्याच संदर्भान एक मोठो एक पुरावो असो आहा आनी ती कंप्लेंट आमी अवश्य फुडें व्हरतले आनी तितून आमकां न्याय मेळटलो अशी अपेक्षा.
Considering Advocate General's statement, Bench Justice Avinash Lawande had Justice Utkarsh Bakre disposed the petition filed by Sudeep Tamankar which challenged Banaulikar's continuation in the police service. Meanwhile, DYSP Deo Banaulikar has been transferred to Goa Reserve Police by an order on Monday. A reporter from Panji, Navdeep Agiyar, with video journalist Sushant Pal. It's time now for another short break. Stay tuned.